Hello guys, welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel.
So hello everyone, now in this video I'm going to start from sum number 11 of the exercise 20.1. For the previous one, please check the description box, the link will be there. So here in sum number 11, the mean weight of 8 student, that is 45.5. Okay, so 45.5 is the mean weight. So that means here the total weight will be total weight, that one equal to 45.5 into 8. Okay, and that one equal to here 364 kg. Two more student having weight 41.7 kg and 53.3 kg join the group. What is the new mean weight? So first here write down new total weight, that one equal to 364 plus 41.7 plus 53.3. Okay, and that one equal to here 459 kg. That is the new mean weight. So now total number of student here 8 plus 2, that one equal to 10. So here new mean weight, that one equal to here 459 divided by 10, and it's 45.9 kg as your answer. Next, number 12. Mean of 9 observation was found to be 35. Later on, it was detected that an observation 81 was misread as 18. Find the correct mean of observation. Okay, so as here mean observation of 9, okay, that one equal to 35. So total equal to here 35 into 9. Okay, total equal to here 35 into 9, that is 315. Now it was detected that an observation 81 was mean read as 18. So that means here actual total will be here. First here you have to subtract 18, because in previous here they add 18 instead of 81. So here first subtract 18, then again add 81, and it will be here 378. So now the mean will be here 378 divided by 9. Okay, 378 divided by 9, that will equal to 42 as your answer. Now next, sum number 13. A student scored following marks in 11 questions. So here 7, 3, 4, 1, 5, 8, 2, 2, 5, 7, 6. Find the median of the marks. So first here you have to arrange it in the ascending order. So 2, 2, 3, then 4. Okay. After that here 5, then again 5, then here 6, then 7, 7, and the last one here 8. Okay, 1 will be also there. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Total 11 observation, that means odd number. So for odd number here the formula, it's median, that one equal to 11 plus 1 by 2th observation. So that means here 12 by 2, that means here 6 observation. Now here you have to find out the 6 observation, that is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here the 6 observation is 5, so your answer is 5. It's very easy. Okay, now next one, sum number 14. Calculate the mean and median of the numbers. So here 2, 3, 4, 3, 0, 5, 1, 1, 3, 2. So ascending order 1, 1, 2, 2. Okay, done. Now next 3, 3, and 3. 0 also here. The next one here 4 and 5. Okay, so now here the median will be observation number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that means here even numbers. So for the even number here formula will be first 10 by 2th observation, then plus here 10 by 2 plus 1th observation, then divided by 2. So that one equal to here 10 by 2, that means fifth observation, and here sixth observation. So here fifth observation is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So fifth observation is 2, and sixth observation here 3. So that one equal to here 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 equal to here 2.5. Okay, so 2.5 is your median. Now next here you have to also find out the mean. So mean means you have to add this number. So 0 plus 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, then 3, 3 and 3, then 4 plus 5. Okay, and here divided by 10. So now add it: 0, 1, 2, 4, 6, 9, 12, 15, 20 and 24. So that means here 24 by 10, that one equal to here 2.4 as your answer. Now next one, sum number 15. A group of students was given a special test in mathematics. The test was completed by the various students in the following time in minutes. Find the mean and median time taken by the student to complete the test. Okay, so here 24, 30, 28, 17, 22, 36, 30, 19, 32, 18, 20 and 24. Okay, so these are the numbers, that means time in minutes. So first here you have to arrange it in ascending order. So here the lowest one is 17, then 18, then 19. So 17, 18, 19. After that here 20. Okay, then here 22, then 24 two times, so 24 double. Now next one here 28, 28. After that 30, again 32 times, and then here 32 and then 36. Okay, so how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that means here even numbers. So median equal to here, median equal to here even number. Even number means first here n by 2, that means 12 by 2. So sixth observation plus seventh observation divided by 2. Now sixth observation means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 6 and that is 7. So 24 plus 24 divided by 2. So here your answer is 24. Now next one, mean. So mean equal to, first here you have to add all the numbers. So as here 17, so add 17 plus 18, then plus 19, then plus 20, then 22, 24. Okay, then again 24, 28, 30, again 30, then here 32, then 36. So it's 300. Now 300 by 12, it's 25. So 25 is your mid, and median equal to here 24. Now next one, sum number 16. In a science test given to a group of students, the marks, okay, the marks scored by them out of 100, that is here 41, next 39, 52, 48, 54, 62, 46, 52, 40, 96, 42, 40, 98, 60, 52. Okay, so that means first here you have to rearrange this one. So 39, after that here 42 times, then here 41. So 40, 40. Okay, 240 will be there, 39, 41. Okay, next, the next one will be here 42, then after that here 42, 42, then here 46. Okay, so cancel out 46, then here 48. So 48, after that here 52, 52. First one, second one and third one. So 52. Okay, then next one here 54. Then next one here 54, then 60. Then 62. Okay, then here 96, and the last one here 98. Okay, so now here mean equal to, first you have to add all the numbers, it's 822, and here the total numbers is 15. So 822 by 15, it's 54.8. And here the median equal to as 15 total observation, that means odd. So odd means here 15 plus 1 eighth observation, that means here eighth observation. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, that means 52. So 52 is your answer. Now next one, sum number 17. In sum number 17 here, the points scored by Kabaddi team in a series of matches are as follows. So here 7, then 17, 2, 5, then here 27, 15, 8, 14, 10, 18. Sorry, it's not 18, it's 48. 10, then 48, 10, 7, 24, 8, 28, 18. Okay, so find the mean and median, again same thing. So first here you have to rearrange this one. So 2, then 5, after that here 7, 2 5, 7 one time, 2 time, so 2 7 are there. The next one here 8 and 8, so 8 8. After that here 10 10, so 10 10. Okay, the next one here 14, so write down here 14. After that here 15, okay 15. Then here 17, then 18. Good. Now next one here 24, okay, then here 27, and then here 28, and the last one here 48. Okay, so that means here total observation 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and 16, total 16 observation. So that means here median equal to, first here you have to add all the numbers, it will be 248, then 248 by 16. Okay, 248 by 16, that one equal to 15.5 as your answer. And median, okay, median equal to, as here even number, so for the even number here n by 2th observation, that means 8 observation plus 9th observation divided by 2. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, that means 10, and here 14. So 8 observation 10 and 9th observation 14 divided by 2, so that means your answer here 12, because 24 by 2, that one equal to 12. Now next one, sum number 18. The following observations have been arranged in ascending order. If the median of the data is 47.5, find the value of x. So first here write down the following observation, that is here 17, 21, 23, 29, 39, 40. Then here x 50, 51, 54, 59, 67, 91 and 93. So first you have to count how many observations are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. That means here total 14th observation. So here median equal to, for the 14th even number, so it will be here 7th observation plus 8th observation divided by 2. So 7th observation means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, that means x, and 8 is 50, so x plus 50 by 2. And according to the formula here median equal to 47.5, that one equal to x plus 50 by 2. So now 47.5 into 2, it's 95, and 95 minus 50, that one equal to x. So here x equal to 45 as your answer. So now let's move on to the last sum number 19. So guys, if you like my video, please share this video and please subscribe my channel. So here the following observation have been arranged in ascending order. In the median of data is 13. Find the value of x. So as same as previous one, it's here 10, then x plus 4. Sorry, next one here it's comma 19, 20, 25 and 28. So how many observation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10th observation. Sorry, it's 10 observation, not 10th. Total 10 observation. Now for even number, here median equal to 10 by 2, that means fifth observation plus sixth observation divided by 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth observation is x and sixth observation x plus 4. So x plus 4 divided by 2. According to the problem, median equal to here 13. Now 13 into 2, that one equal to here 2x plus 4. Okay, so 26 minus 4, that one equal to here 2x. That means here 22 equal to 2x. So x equal to here 11 as your answer.